Hi, I'm Queena, and today I would like to share with you a soup to increase your vitality and energy to face any life's challenges in this fast-paced environment. And you know, my parents have over 50 years of experience in the herbs business, and growing up, I was blessed that I've always have a bowl of soup for my daily meal. And I've always been boiling soups in the past 2 years as well. And now introducing the Vital Soup. 3 benefits. 1, right? Increase your energy so that you can fight the fatigue. 2, improve your qi flow across your body so you can improve and enhance your alertness. And 3, improves your eyesight, which is very important for your focus. Yeah. Introducing the ingredients: fish maw, 花椒, tang sen, codonopsis, goji berry, bei qi, suti. This will give the soup the black color, Radix Romania, red dates, and walnuts.
So we start preparing the huajiao or fish maw by cutting into small pieces and actually adding a few slices of ginger and add some water, just enough for the fish maw. Boil it over high heat, right? And when it's boiling, this is now where we off the fire and actually leave it aside. Just let the fish maw soak in that hot water with the ginger to get rid of the fishy taste, right? For about half an hour while we prepare everything together. Now we start by de-skin the chicken. I use kampong chicken, right? And after cleaning all the parts, now this is where we start blanching the chicken. And we have used just enough water and put it over high heat to blanch it for about a few minutes, right? And so you can see now all the impurities are gone, yeah? And then we basically add all the ingredients in, add water, right? Add chicken, add all the cleaned herbs, right? Rinse the herbs for 3 to 4 times. Take out the seeds of the red dates, right? And add every ingredient into the pot. And we're good to go. We put it over high heat, and when it's boiling, off to light heat, and then we are boiling it for 3 hours. And this is done, so now we are scooping it into a bowl, right? So now, as I said, the black color comes from the Radix Romania. Is one type of herbs that's very good in giving you that enhanced energy.
Hi, so I'm just gonna dig in now. Look at the soup close up, right? And this is it. It's nice, I like it, but I think for me, I can add a little bit more salt. Just now it's not enough, but what is more important, I think, right, is that it gives us that energy and just to fight another day, yeah.